Section 8 real estate investing, that is what we are talking about in today's video. Section 8 has kind of been a hot topic. A lot of real estate gurus out there talking about it, offering courses, charging you thousands of dollars to help you or show you how to identify and invest in Section 8 real estate as a landlord. I'm going to dive in this video. I'm going to show you one example in St. Pete, and I'm going to show you quickly how it works and the return that you can be expected to get on something like this. Obviously, it varies deal to deal, but I'm going to break down the numbers because I know that's what people are interested in finding out. And yes, this is a cash flow deal. And yes, there's lots of cash flow deals. Now, this is a single family home. You can do this in apartments, condos, whatever. But this one, for the sake of the video, I had to focus on one example. We're using this one. Okay. So if you have questions about this stuff, let me know. So this property here, a single family home in St. Pete. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, built in 1950, listed at $249,500. Now, they were on the market for 103 days, total cumulative. They were listed before. They had a pipe burst. I talked to the agent on this. They had some cast iron pipes, pipe burst. That problem has been fixed, which is good. So if you're looking to buy this deal, obviously that's probably a $10,000 fix, something you don't have to think about or worry about. So that's good. Okay. Now, let's look at what something like this would cost to purchase. So I think you're going to buy this property for about $235,000 based on the current market. You put 20% down, you get a mortgage of $188,000. You got an interest rate of just under 7%. You got property tax of $3,000 a year. You got insurance of $2,000 a year. So with insurance, property taxes, and mortgage, you have a payment of $1,665 per month. Now, you go over to what's really cool about Section 8 investing is the housing authority, in this case St. Pete Housing, will give you what's called a payment standards form. And what it does is it breaks it down to show you what you will get for the property that you were putting into the program as a Section 8 landlord. So a 3-bedroom property is in the green column here because we have a 3-bedroom. With the zip code is 33709. So you say, okay, 33709 in the white column. You go across to the green column, and St. Pete Housing will pay you $2,361 per month for this property to put one of their Section 8 tenants in the property. So you got to back out about $300 a month for utilities on this deal for the housing authority to allow for that. So you're going to net around $2,050 per month for this property. So you say, okay, well, if I have $2,050 coming in every month after expenses, and I minus my mortgage, my property taxes, and my insurance of $1,665, I'm going to get a positive cash flow of $385 a month. Times that by 12, because it's 12 months in a year, you get $4,620. Now your down payment of 20% on $235,000 on this deal would be $47,000. Okay, so you divide that by $47,000. That gives you an annual cash-on-cash return for this deal of 9.83%. Okay, so you're getting a 9.83% cash-on-cash return. You've got a great asset class, real estate, and not only do you get the cash-on-cash return, but you get the long-term appreciation because over time, real estate has always gone up, and in my opinion, will always go up over time. So you're getting great cash-on-cash return, getting paid to you every month and every year, and you're getting the long-term appreciation of a great asset class such as real estate. So that is what the numbers look like on one of these deals. These deals are everywhere. This is not unusual. I could show you like a whole bunch more of these. And I said like they go apartment buildings, condos, whatever. But if you have more specific questions on this topic, because I get asked about it all the time, I've helped a lot of people invest in Section 8 rentals. It's a great investment, in my opinion. It's awesome. So reliable tenants. The government's pretty much your tenant. That's who's pretty much paying you all the money. It's just awesome. But if you want to dive into the weeds on this and you want to really get down to it, and you want to seriously consider maybe doing this, using some of maybe your equity to purchase something like this, it's a great time to buy. Definitely reach out. I'd love to have a chat with you and break it down in more detail. This is just a very high-level view because I know everyone's attention spans are super short in today's world, so I tried to just kind of hit a few points. So if you want more information on this, reach out. I'm going to try and do a few more examples over the next couple of months just to kind of break down some other ideas, maybe some apartment buildings or some duplexes, things like that. But just wanted to get on here because I get asked about it a lot. So any questions, please reach out. I'd be happy to chat and give you some more information on this topic.